So I'm having some issues with the pause, and I'll show you what I mean here. So as a student, I go in and I select, go in, take over. I don't have an issue with the pause for multiple choice, just for worksheets. So if I hit pause here, and I'll do another one just in case. This one looks good. Okay, so student is able to pause, all of their answers show up, but when I go back in as a teacher, this is what I get. You can see that I have my dot telling me that I need to grade something, and when I click on it, I have a red dot indicating something's paused. So I click on my key. Now those are the two that I just took, they're paused. If I open them up, you can see my answer. Here's the other one. Now, in order to grade it though, because it won't let me put anything in, I have to lock it. So as soon as I lock it and I open it up, now I've got a whole bunch of code in all my boxes. And I don't have a blue dot indicating that there's something to grade. And this one's doing the exact same thing, but I'm able to grade now. So the problem is, once I go back out into my quiz test overview, I have nothing indicating that there's anything to grade, and I wasn't able to grade the paused worksheets. But if I go back into it and I click on it, now I can actually see what the answer is, and then I can grade it. I know it's not supposed to work this way. I'm pretty sure that once the teacher locks something and there's something in there, it's supposed to give them a blue dot to indicate that it needs to be graded. If I go back to my quiz test overview, now you see my score here, and if I go back to my students to check to see if my blue dot is gone, see that my blue dot is indeed gone, but that's going to be an issue if I've got paused. So anyway, I just wanted to do a video so I could kind of show you what my big issue is right now, and it's with that pause button. So it basically looks like a student can pause it, but once a teacher locks it to grade it, something is lost. What used to happen last year was they would lock it, it would turn blue to indicate that it needed to be graded because there were answers in the fields, but now when you lock it, there's a whole bunch of code, so it's not pulling the answers or the student answers out, but it's causing issues with the blue dot on the front holding, because there's no way to tell once you've locked them and gone back into your quiz test overview and then back into your worksheets which ones still need to be graded. Hopefully this was helpful.